Hello Year 4, it's Miss Markwell again, bringing you another maths video. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter and got to relax a little bit, did some lovely things, enjoyed the sunny weather. I know I definitely did. We're back to our home learning again, and you're all doing a fantastic job, and both Miss Burkett and I just think you're all doing amazing, and we're loving all your questions and all the pictures we see on Teams, so please keep those coming in. We've got another maths video today, and if you remember, the last video I did was dividing digits by 10 to get you an answer off a decimal place. Today in maths, we're not dividing by 10, we're dividing by 100. So the same concept, just a little bit different, so I want you to listen carefully and then you'll find out what the difference is. Some of you might already know, but some of you might not. So when you divide by 10, if you remember, you move all the digits one place to the right. So they might move from the ones one place to the right, and then it will be in the tenths or hundredths column. Today we're dividing by 100. So what do you think might you do? Instead of moving one place to the right, what might you do? Perfect. You move two places to the right. In 100 we have got two zeros, so we have to move the digits two places to the right. Not just one, but two. So the first calculation we're going to do together is 3 divided by 10. And on my place value grid, the first thing I need to do is work out where the 3 goes. Is it 3 hundredths? Is it 3 tens? Is it 3 ones? Is it 3 tenths? Or is it 3 hundredths? And I know that that 3 is 3 ones. I've got 3 ones. So I've badly drawn circles in my 3 ones. I'm now going to divide that by 100. So I have to move these 3 ones, not one place to the right, because that would be only dividing by 10, but 2 places to the right. 1, 2. And my 3 ones have been divided by 100 to become 3 hundredths. Now you might think, how am I going to write that as a decimal place? I'm going to show you. It would be 0, because we've got 0 ones. Then we would have our decimal point. We've got 0 tenths, so it would be another 0. And how many hundredths have I got? I have got 3 hundredths. So the answer to 3 divided by 100 is 0.03. Because I've got 0 ones now, 0 tenths, but I've got 3 hundredths. So let's look at the next one. We have got now 5 divided by 100. Again, you think, is it 5 tenths? Is it 5 hundredths? Have I got 5 ones? Have I got 5 tens? And you all know that you have got 5 ones. So here I draw my 5 ones. And again, we're dividing by 100. So I'm going to move these 5 ones. How many places to the right? 2. 1, 2. My 5 ones are not 5 ones anymore. They have now been exchanged for 5 hundredths, because I've moved my 5 ones, sorry, you can't really see, 2 places to the right. So 5 divided by 100 is 0.05. 0 ones, 0 tenths, and 5 hundredths. And the decimal point, you must remember the decimal point. Okay, fantastic. So that was dividing 1-digit numbers by 10. I want to see, because you're all so clever, can you now divide 2-digit numbers by 10? So, first one I'm going to show, not 10, 100, sorry. 2-digit numbers by 100. So the first number I want us to divide by 100 is 14. Now I need to think, it's a little bit trickier, my 14, where does my 14 go in the hundreds, tens and ones place value grid? If I look at my 14, I know 14 is made up of 1 10 and 4 ones. Okay, 1 10 and 4 ones. Now I need to divide my 14, my 1 10 and my 4 ones by 100. That means I move all my counters 2 places to the right. It doesn't mean I just move my ones column 2 places to the right. That would be wrong because I've only moved part of the number 14 2 places to the right. You must remember to move the full number 2 places to the right. So I've moved my 4 ones 2 places to the right to give me 4 hundredths. Now I'm going to move my 1 10 2 places to the right, 1 2, to give me 1 tenth. So my answer to 14 divided by 100 is 0 ones. I've got 0 tens in fact. 0 ones. Point. I've got 1 10 and 1 tenth, and I've got 4 hundredths. Okay. Now, some of you might write the answer to this as 0.14, okay, 0.14. But you don't have to put the 2 zeros. You can just write your answer as 0.14, okay? Don't worry, it doesn't have to be 2 zeros. It can be, but it doesn't have to be, okay? So, last one I've got for you today, and it is, we can all see, 32 divided by 100. So again, first thing you're going to do is put 32 on your place value grid. And we know that 32 is made up of 3 tens and 2 ones. 32. Then the next step of dividing by 100 is move all the digits 2 places to the right. So I move my ones 1, 2 to give me 2 hundredths, and I move my 3 tens 1, 2 to give me 3 tenths. My answer to 32 divided by 100 is 0.32. 0.32. So if we look at all the ones we've done, we did 3 divided by 100, and that equals to 0.03. Then we did 5 divided by 100, and that equals to 0.05. Then we did 14 divided by 100, which equals to 0.14, and we did 32 divided by 100 equals 0.32. You can look at this and notice that they've all come after the decimal place for 1, all start with a 0, and you know that when you divide by 100, we move all the digits 2 places to the right. Not just 1, that's dividing by 10, and you must remember to move all the digits. Don't just move one of the digits 2 places to the right, you must remember to move every single one. So I think that's all from me now. So you're going to go on and do the sheet, which is on Teams, and then spot check your answers. Send us a picture if you want of the marvellous work you've done. And then you can move on to mastery if you would like, but you don't have to move on to mastery. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and keep me updated with all the lovely things you get up to. See you later, bye!